Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Hughes here. We are going to go over some math words and ideas together today. Our word today is calendar. Do you know what a calendar is? Yes. Do you have calendars in your home? All right. Yeah, calendars are important tools. They show us the days of the week. Across the top here. They show us the month of the year. And here's the year. I have some questions for you about the calendar on the screen. Let's take a good look at it. The calendar says the month is September. The year is 2019. Some people say 2019. And here are the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. My first question for you is, what happens on Tuesday, September the 10th? All right, I said Tuesday, so I need to find Tuesday. Tuesday starts with a T, and it comes after Monday. So here's Tuesday. We know that it's September, so Tuesday, and then I said the 10th, so I'll go down until I find the number 10, right here. The number 10 is a 1 and a 0, and if you're not sure what 10 looks like, you can always start with number 1, and you can count up across the row, and go down to the next one until you find 10. So what important event happens on Tuesday, September the 10th? Looks like there's some milk there and some cereal and toast. Must be a breakfast. It says family breakfast. Okay. My next question. What day of the week is the first day of school? All right, I know schools have buses, but maybe a bus means we're going somewhere, so I don't think it's going to be the bus. The school is a building, so let's look for the school building. There it is. So, the first day of school is Wednesday, September the 4th. Last question for this calendar. When does fall begin? Fall is a season. And what signs of fall could be on this calendar? Yes, the leaf down here. That's a sign of fall. So this leaf picture must be the first day of fall, which will be Sunday, September the 22nd. Okay, great job. All right, next in our calendar talk for math today, we're going to look at days of the week more closely. There are 7 days in a week. And there are 24 hours in a day. So you can kind of think of a day as being from the time between bedtime tonight and bedtime tomorrow. Or you can think of a day lasting from sunrise to sunrise. It's a full 24 hours. Here is a row of our days of the week. We start out with Sunday. Say it with me if you know them. We'll start with Sunday. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job. I have some questions for you. What day is today? Do you know what day today is? Great work if you do. If not, I'll let you know. It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And Wednesday starts with W, which is a W, Wednesday. All right, my next question is, what day is tomorrow? If today is Wednesday, what day is tomorrow? Thursday. Yes. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow hasn't happened yet. So that's the next day after Wednesday, which is Thursday. All All right, let's go back to today, which is Wednesday. My next question is, what day was yesterday? Yesterday has already happened, so we need to kind of go backwards. So if today is Wednesday, let's go back to Tuesday. Tuesday was yesterday. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Great job. All right, last with our calendar talk today. Whoa! This calendar shows all 12 months at one time. There are 12 little calendars on this one big calendar on your screen. The months of the year, if you know them, say them with me. We start with January. So let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are all 12 months in a year. Did you hear your birthday month? All right, great. So I have some questions for you about each of these calendars. First, together, let's find April. Can you find April? There's April. April starts with an A. April. So here's April. Can you tell me what month comes after April? There's nothing right here, so we need to go down to the next row. Yes, this word says May. So after April comes May. Here's my next question. I need you to find October. October starts with an ah sound. Ah. October. Oh, there it is. So my question is, what month comes before October? Before, let's go backwards, so it's got to be this one. September comes before October. Great job. Now I want you to notice with me that some of these months have 31 days. See the last day there says 31. Some of these months have 30 days. See, that one ends with the number 30. And only one of these months has 28 days, and that's February. February has 28 days. It's the only one. My last question for you is, can you find a month that has only 30 days in it? Let me scoot it down just a little bit. Can you find a month that has only 30 days in it? Are you pointing at it on the screen? Did you find one? All right, yes. So up here, April has 30 days. See that last number says 30? Another month would be June. It says June up here. Has 30 days in it. And another one, come down to the last row, it says September. You see the very last number says 30. It only has 30 days. And one more, November. It only has 30 days in it. So those months have only 30 days. The others have 31, and February has 28. Great job today in our calendar talk. Have a great afternoon.